Mass Physics Unit 6 Gravitation. Question 1. Who formulated the law of universal gravitation? Answer: Isaac Newton. Question 2. The gravitational force between two objects depends on their answer mass. Question 3. Which of the following is the correct formula for gravitation force F? Answer: F is equal to force gm 1 meter per square r square. Question 4. Which does G represent in the universal law of gravitation? Answer: gravitational constant. Question 5. The unit of the gravitation constant G is answer nm square kg square. Question 6. Gravitational force is a non-contact force. Question 7. If the distance between two masses is duplicated, the gravitational force becomes answer 1/4. Question 8. Which of the following is not affected by gravity? Answer: light. Question 9. The value of acceleration due to gravity g on Earth's surface is approximately answer 9.8 m per s square. Question 10. Acceleration due to gravity decreases with answer increases altitude. Question 11. Which planet has the strongest gravitational pull? Answer: Jupiter. Question 12. The force that keeps planets in orbit around the sun is answer: gravitational force. Question 13. What causes tides on Earth? Answer: gravitational pull of the moon. Question 14. Gravitational force is always answer attractive. Question 15. What happened to your weight if you travel to the moon? Answer: it decreases. Question 16. Mass and weight are answer different quantities. Question 17. Weight is measured in answer newtons and. Question 18. Gravitational force is inversely proportional to answer square of the distance between the objects. Question 19. The value of gravitational acceleration g varies with answer altitude and altitude. Question 20. If an object is dropped from a height, it falls due to answer gravity. Question 21. What is the value of g at the center of the earth? Answer: 0. Question 22. Which of these does gravity affect on earth? Answer: everything. Question 23. Escape velocity is the velocity required to answer escape earth gravitational field. Question 24. The escape velocity from earth is approximately answer 11.2 km per second. Question 25. If you throw an object upwards, it answer slows down due. Question 26. On which of these celestial bodies would your weight be the least? Answer: moon. Question 27. The moon stays in orbit around Earth because of answer gravitational force. Question 28. Which of the following has the weakest gravitational field? Answer: a small asteroid. Question 29. Who first proposed that gravity is a force that keeps the planet in orbit? Answer: Isaac Newton. Question 30. What would happen if gravity on Earth suddenly disevaporated? Answer: objects would float away.